Hi there and welcome to Sharon's Tutorials. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to schedule an email in Gmail. Now one thing to note is that you don't need to have a paid account for this feature. It's rolled out across the board, so whether you have a paid Google Suite account or whether you have a bog standard free account, it makes no difference whatsoever. The schedule send feature is available to everybody. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to schedule the email, where to find the email so you can edit it after you've scheduled it, and where to find the folder or the label if it's not visible on your menu down the left-hand side. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you find it helpful. Hit the subscribe button if you want to subscribe to my channel and to stay up to date with all the other tutorials that I will be posting in the future. And let's get started. Okay then, so the first thing we need to do is to write an email, start an email like you would do normally. So you would go to Compose and type in the email that you want to send. I'll just put testing schedule there. And instead of clicking send like you would normally, there is a drop down arrow to the right of that. And if you click there, you can then go to schedule send. This then brings up a dialog box that tells you it has some preset dates and times already in there. So you can choose one of those if you want to, or if you've already scheduled an email before, then there'll be the last scheduled time in there as well. Or you can select your own date and time so you can customize it yourself. So if you select that, and then we'll just choose a date. So the date goes here. You can edit the time here. So if you want to send it at 4:38 a.m., I don't know. And then you can either cancel it or you can click schedule send. So you click schedule send. It appears here that it's been scheduled ready for you. And you'll notice where to find the email once you've actually scheduled it. Now down this left hand side here, you'll notice there's nothing there at all. So if you click on the More button, and there's a folder called Scheduled or a label called Scheduled. So if you click on there, it has a number 1 next to it. That's to tell you how many emails are actually scheduled. And you'll see there's the email that I've just scheduled. There's the date. If you hover over it, it disappears, but if you come off it, there's a date there telling you when it's scheduled for. So if you want to actually edit this now, you've decided actually you don't want to send it that date, you want to send it a different date. If you click into it, so it opens the email, and you go into cancel send. This will then bring it back into a draft email again, and all you need to do is do the same again, go into your schedule send down here, and the last scheduled time, so that's now the date and time that we've set it previously. So if you want to change it, go into select date and say you want to change it to, I don't know, 12:37 instead, and schedule send. And again, you can now see this date here above where my cursor is here has changed to the 24th of July instead of the 22nd. So that's how you schedule it. Now where to find it, you'll notice that I had to click into the More button on the menu down here on the left hand side to actually see where that is. That's because in my default settings it's down as hidden basically. So to change that, if you want to change that, you go into manage labels. So if you can't see manage labels, you click on More, go down to manage labels on here. This will open up in the settings, the labels tab in the settings menu, and you go down to where it says scheduled down here. And you'll see here, it's actually hidden. It says it's bolded as hide. So if you want it to show above this section here, so it's always there, have it down as show instead. And you'll see it's actually moved where that More button or the Less button was. It's actually moved to the top of that now. So it's basically visible all the time. If you want it so that it shows there just when you have scheduled emails done, then you click show if unread. So that will only appear above the More button here. That will only appear there if there's any scheduled in. If you haven't got any scheduled in, then it will automatically disappear and be hidden below the More button. So it's up to you what your preference is. So if I keep it as that now and go back into my inbox, so you'll see that it's scheduled there. So if I actually want to delete that now, I can do cancel send. So it will say that it's returned back to drafts again. And if I want to delete it altogether, I just go to discard draft down in this right hand corner, discard that, and you'll see, go back into my inbox, and you'll see that the scheduled folder, the label for scheduled emails, has actually disappeared now because I had it down as show if unread. And you'll see if you click on more, the folder's down there. And that's it. That is how to schedule an email in Gmail. So give it a thumbs up like if you like this tutorial, and comment below if you found it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with all the other tutorials that I'll be posting. So happy learning for now.